remember, we did a 74 Cuda for a gentleman, and he took it home. We painted it the rally red, and he took it home, and he was going to finish with the interior and putting some of the chrome bits and that on it. Well, it's back, and it's done, and here it is. So look at this. It's got all the nice stripes laid. These are like a takeoff of the original wheels. He's just had them made deeper. Isn't this beautiful? If you don't remember or you're new to watching me, go back to my videos and you'll see the Cuda as we were building it. I put quarters on it, wheel tubs, all that kind of stuff. He's okay. So he's got all the upholstery done, the seats. He is still missing the console piece right there. He's just waiting for that. Dash is all done. Look at that headliner. My God. A lot of the stainless and chrome you see on here is original. All this stuff is original. All the rocker chrome is original. Bumperettes are original. The moldings across the back are original. Tail lights are. I believe the bumpers are new. It's got the hopped up 360 in it. This car had absolutely no rust in the floorboards whatsoever. It was rust free. Pistol grip shifter right there that everybody goes nuts over. Such a beautiful car. Really nice. This is all the original grille. He just painted it and cleaned it up all himself. You know, nothing like a little rattle can. Got in there. He took all the bits and parts home while we were building the car, and he was working on those bits and parts, cleaning them and painting them. Front bumper obviously is new. Guards are original. Now a lot of people would leave the guards off, but he just kept it original. This car was pretty much, it's all numbers matching. He even has a numbers matching original engine for it, sitting in his shop at home. So it turned out very, very nice. We're very happy with this one. And he stopped by today, and there was a couple things he was waiting for. He was waiting for his Cuda emblems that go up on the hood here, say 360. So he was waiting for those, and those came in. He popped mine. We popped them on for him. So that's it. So now he's going to be picking it up here soon and taking it home. But what it turned. This is just stunning. I'm just so happy with how this turned out. Look at that. How straight that is. Just beautiful. Put all Hotchkiss suspension underneath this car, upgraded it that way. So it's all upgraded. I don't know if I can get under here and we can see. Probably not, it's too low to the ground. You can't really see much up underneath here. But it is all Hotchkiss, it is all upgraded. Everything is looking good. So there we go. So, another happy customer. He was so happy. He just smiles. He just comes here and he's just smiling, grinning ear to ear. And he's going to drive this car. He's driving this car. He lives in Abbotsford. He works out here in Chilliwack. And he's, on the sunny days like this, he's roaring down the highway, coming to work in it. He's just motoring along. So it's definitely not a garage queen. But it also, you know, it's not going out in the bad weather either. So there you go. So all you Mopar fans out there, there you are. A little bit of Cuda for you to look at. Say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we will get back to you as soon as possible with another Cuda, a 68 Cuda that's in the midst of getting painted with our own custom-made paint. It's a takeoff of the original green that we've just added a bit more flake to. Wait till you see it. See you later.